I've been working as a babysitter for a few years now. I don't have a fancy office or a business card. I simply go to people's homes to take care of their babies when they need help. It's not always easy, but I've always loved caring for little ones. Their innocence, their smiles. It's beautiful. There was one woman who used to call me often. She had a baby around 10 months old and would sometimes go out to her friends' houses or late-night events. I didn't ask too many questions. My job was to make sure her child was safe and cared for. One night, around 1 a.m., I got a call from her. I was half asleep but picked up right away. She asked me to come over quickly, as she needed to go to her friend's place for a gathering. I didn't ask much. Just got up, dressed, and rushed to her apartment. When I reached, she handed me her baby and left in a hurry. The baby felt warm in my arms. I checked and realized he had a fever. I tried everything I could, sponge bath, medicine from her cabinet. But the fever got worse. I called her several times, but she didn't pick up. I didn't know what else to do. So I wrapped the baby in a blanket and ran to the nearby hospital. The doctors attended to him immediately. Thank God I acted fast, or things could have gone worse. While I sat outside waiting for updates, I finally managed to reach her and told her everything. Her reaction was slow and confused, like she hadn't expected me to actually take the baby to the hospital. The next morning, her husband returned from another city. I was still at the hospital with their baby when he arrived. He looked tired but calm. Later that day, I heard them arguing at the hospital. She was blaming me, saying I hadn't taken care of the baby properly. That the fever was because I was careless. I felt broken. After all I had done? But then, her husband looked at her and said coldly, "You weren't even home. I checked the CCTV. I saw the babysitter running out of the apartment, carrying our baby at 2 a.m. while you were out partying." She went quiet. He shook his head in disappointment and said the words that stunned me. "You'll get divorce papers soon." Then he turned to me. I was sitting in a corner, trying not to cry. But tears had already started falling. He came closer, sat next to me, and said gently, "You saved my baby's life. Will you marry me?" I was too shocked to speak, but I nodded slowly. My tears turned into silent sobs. Not because I was scared or sad. This time, they were from feeling seen, respected, and maybe, for the first time, truly loved.